Hello friends, so on today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this cat eye eyeshadow look. So this eyeshadow was done with 2 eyeshadows, that's all, and 2 brushes. So let's get on to the video. Hello friends, so the first thing we're going to be doing, I'm going to be getting my tape per usual, and I'm going to be pulling it this way. So a lot of people will go this way, that way it touches their eyebrow, but I don't like to do that because I like to extend my eye. I got both of my tapes on, this side and this side. So the next step I'm going to be doing, I'm going to go in with my black eyeliner. The palette that I'm going to be using is the 3503 Fierce by Nature by Morphe, and let me open it up. I'm going to be using this black right here. With a brush like this, kind of like an eyebrow brush, I'm going to be going in and getting some black and dusting off the excess. So now with the tape, we're going to follow the line. And then I just like to do it halfway. I don't come all the way in. I just go about to right here. And just fill that in until you get like your desired darkness. It looks very dark right now, but don't worry, we're gonna blend it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing that I did to this side right over here. Now with the other side, so if you don't have a brush like this, just with a more dense looking brush, you're gonna go in and just blend it out softly. Try not to go too high, because if you start blending, like say you're blending right here and you start blending up here, well obviously you're gonna bring the eyeshadow up there and it's not gonna look as pretty. And just keep blending it till it looks soft. I'm going to be going in with the 35U Gilded Desert Morphe palette. My fiance actually got me this for Christmas and I have used it probably once. But I'm going to be going in with Bare It All and Dune Buggy. I'm going to mix those 2 shades together and dust off the excess. Now I'm going to go on top of all of the black, and just try to incorporate this in there by blending it into the black. And if it looks harsh like this, it's okay, you guys. Don't worry, because we're going to go in and we're going to blend it again. I'm gonna go ahead and do this side over here as well. So once again, just over top all of the black eyeshadow that we have already placed, just blend it into that. Don't worry about blending it out right now. Right now we're just trying to blend that into the black. Now with a fluffy brush that has nothing on it, we're gonna go ahead and start blending out the top. So try not to go too far down with this brush, because right now we're just trying to blend out the brown part. And if we go too far down, then we're going to get a lot of black powder on our brush and it's going to start bringing the black eyeshadow up. So just keep blending it out, you guys, until you get it how you like it. Okay, so this is about how I want it. So I'm going to take off the tape and see if I like it. Now with the 2 brown shades that I used earlier, the Bare It All and the Dune Buggy, yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do my lower lash line and just build it up once again as much as I want. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lower lash eyeliner. This is the Lancome one. I really like this one. I like the pencil ones. I don't like the ones that come out, so I love this one. Okay, this is how it looks with the lower lash liner. I didn't go all the way in. I went about like 2/3 in. Now I'm gonna go and put on my eyelashes real quick and I will be right back. I'm just going in and I'm adding a little bit of lower lash mascara. I think I'm feeling red lips for this look today, so I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with some red liner. Some red gloss. I'm filming a TikTok at the same time, that's why my phone's right here. Did I get some on my teeth? Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. Super easy and great for a date night. So thank you guys for watching. Until next time.